Hey up guys, good afternoon. This is Billy from Will Secure Systems, vehicle security specialist based in Doncaster. Now behind me, we've got a lovely brand new Vauxhall Corsa that's in for some added security. The lady's just had this car delivered after having a previous one stolen, so she's done the right thing and brought it down to us. After a quick consultation, we decided that the Scorpion X is a perfect fit for this vehicle and this customer. We've installed the device, so let's go and have a look at how it works. Okay, so the device is now being installed. What this means is that without the customer's unique passcode that they can set, the vehicle is immobilized and will not go anywhere. All the customer needs to do is enter their passcode using the steering wheel buttons. Again, they can set this passcode and away they go. This is an automatically arming device, which means that once the ignition is turned off and the door is open, the system will arm back up and not move until that passcode has been entered. So guys, that's it. So as you can see, this is an extremely easy to use and discreet immobilizer system that's also very, very secure. It's our best seller and has been for a couple of years now. If you want a device like this installed into your vehicle, give us a call and we'll hopefully see some of you soon. Thank you very much.